Hi, so this is an example of a game that I would use with students, either in our one-on-one meets or our small group meet. We could pick whatever skill we're working on. Let's say we just want 20 less. Over here is the prompt, 20 less than 116. We would probably start with a little bit of prompting on starting with finding 116 and how we have to move up the chart to lower numbers. 2 hops up, we'd get 96. After a little bit of prompting, hopefully the students would be able to figure out the pattern themselves. 20 less than 102. They would tell me the number, click on it, go to the next one. What's great about this is that after a little bit of practice with me, I can cut and paste the link to the game and put it in the chat, and then have students work independently either after our meeting or in a little breakaway session. I also have the links to these games posted on my home pages so that students can go to them and practice independently whenever they want to, and some of them really like these games.